Every season is a fashion, the statement of its vibrant grace, benevolence, inspired by nature, fashion and trends, introduced to humans. India saw a boom in the fashion industry in the late 80s and 90s and thereon. Today, fashion has become one of the topmost industries in India. Do you have a dream to achieve in the world of fashion? The dream graduation in fashion achieved with a university degree? The solutions of the Institute are glittering like stars of the present fashion world. Learn from the pioneer since 1998. Welcome to the Citadel of Fashion, MFT, Madras Institute of Fashion Technology. Your gateway to the world of fashion. Lucrative career. Affiliated with Alagappa University, Bharatiyar University, Tamil Nadu Open University. Being a member of RAI, Retailer Association and India Design Association, MFT is well connected to the fashion industry. MFT is located in Chennai, the multicultural fashion destination. Students here are provided with the state-of-the-art facilities that are on par with international fashion schools, cutting lab, sewing lab, CAD lab, pattern making lab, garment construction lab, mini project studio, design collection studio, modern library. MFT provides a comprehensive curriculum. Nurture the skill of an individual to engage with real-time fashion world. MFT, with the exclusive care of their students, is open all 7 days per week. Through efficient mentors, MFT enhances learning and triggers creativity. Real-time project experience through 90% practical training. Not just teaching, it's holistic mentoring, creating opportunities, guiding a way to successful career through various programs. Student portfolio, work portrait boards, guest lecturing classes, attending seminars, industry visit, internship, participating in fashion show and events. Industry Linkage Unit, ILU of MFT, provides placement assistance to build future with top brands. They disseminate the distinction that MFT has achieved. Over the years in the fashion world as a nurturing ground of global fashion, professionals such as fashion merchandiser, trend forecaster, retail buyer, textile designer, boutique owner, consultant, fashion stylist. More hues in the MFT palette. Some of them are 5,000 plus alumni all over the world, 100% placement record, 90% practical training, 30 plus career opportunities, 25 plus courses offered, 20 plus years of excellence, 3 university affiliations, 2 associated memberships, 1 brand. It is MFT. MFT, a place where your dreams are given a silver lining to do wonders in the world of fashion. Contact